Roger D. Stewart and Roger L. Parton, cameraman Andy Krebs. The Blind Man meets Frankenstein, a Krebs production. The story begins at the blind man's house one dark, lonely night.
You sound like you got a bad cold.
This guy seems to be real nice.
Have a seat, my friend.
Okay, don't mind if I do. I'll take a seat right over. I wish this guy could hear my voice, but I don't talk so well.
Boy, that dog's good. A doctor. Get rid of that bad cold you got, my friend.
I don't have a cold. It's the way I am. Smoke. Smoke. Smoke, that sounds good. Smells delicious.
Smoke?
Don't mind if I do have a smoke.
No.
Yes, smoke.
Boy, your lungs sound bad.
Well, you drop it with the lungs. That's the way I am. This is good. Good smoke.
You got it, my friend?
Yes, you got it. It's good. Thanks.
Tea?
Tea.
Tea?
Drink?
Tea?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take some. It's
Should be
good.
a cup somewhere.
Yeah. Take this.
Cup?
Yes.
Cup?
Take the cup.
See?
Yes. Pour me that tea.
Oh, take it easy on that cigarette.
Hey, why are you putting your finger in my tea? I don't understand. This guy must not be able to see very well.
Tea, my friend.
Good smoke.
It's awful chilly out today. Right?
I think this looks like
Something
good
to
stuff.
snack on? Are you hungry?
Snack.
Are you hungry?
Good tea. Yes, snack. Good. I would. Yes, food.
I'll see if I got a tart for you.
Okay. Let's smoke some more cigarette. This guy don't know where anything is.
Tart?
Boy, that cigarette sure is a coughing. Make me cough. I better smoke more. Food. That will make my belly good. Drink. I'll drink some more of this. Good stuff. What? What's he doing? Come on, I want some food.
Food?
Yes. Food.
You want food?
Food,
There's some
please.
food. There. Let me put it on a plate. Should
Yeah.
put it on a saucer.
Put it on a plate for me, please. This guy, for a blind guy, don't know where anything's at.
Better yet, I'll put it on a plate for you.
This guy spares no expense. Pop-Tarts and smoke and tea. I think I like this guy. Even though I can't see anything. This is a Pop-Tart. Good. This is delicious. Strawberry, I think.
Good food.
Good stuff.
I have to go to the grocery store. I'm running out of food, I tell you.
Good food. Now drink.
Man, what bad manners you got.
Don't you worry about my manners.
Hey, my friend.
Smoke food.
Friend.
That's what it's about. I was just gonna flip my asses on the floor. What's wrong with that? How about me pour this tea in there?
More tea, you say?
No. I got my cigarette and I got my food. I gotta get going.
Don't get choked up.
And I put the cigarette out. I
There
gotta
you go, my friend.
go see some.
I'll see you later, my friend.
Thank you for being a pal
Boy,
to
what
me.
big hands you got.
I like to hug you.
Good friend. See
Yes.
you later, friend. Come
Okay.
back. Be careful
I
out there.
intend
Stay
to.
warm.
Okay. I gotta
See
go
ya.
find me a girl. Let's see. You know what I could use about right now? It's a prostitute. Oh boy. I had the cigarette, the tea, Pop-Tarts, now a prostitute. That would make my day. Oh, where do I find a corner with a prostitute on it? I'll just go out here for a Maybe this is a prostitute coming down the road. Hey baby, what's shaking? Oh!
Hey, you alright?